Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Wyndham Desert Blue, Las Vegas. You can see a floor plan, and right at the door, there are magnets for saying you are checked out or do not disturb. Cool feature right on the door. To the right, you'll see a kitchen area, including a microwave up top with cabinets. Looking down, sink area, coffee maker, toaster, other items. And below, looks like a refrigerator, more cabinets, and a dishwasher. Panning around to the main room, you have a living room area with TV, a table, and some chairs. Side desk potentially for a laptop, some art on the walls. Moving over, you can see a view. Trump International, Resorts World in the back, Stratosphere. Panning over to the old Mirage and the high roller wheel. Coming back around, walking through to the bedroom area, you can see a large king bed, different lighting on the ceiling next to the bed, some outlets on an alarm clock, and some on the wall. Moving around towards the bed, you can see another TV, HVAC, and another view outside, some of the same that you've seen in the main room. Going around to the bathroom, you can see a side mirror, perhaps for makeup. Sink area, just one sink. The amenities, hand soap inside of bottles, tissues, and some extra lighting on the ceiling. Panning around, standard tub and shower. Not a glass door, just a curtain. And the toilet right next to the shower. So it is a spacious bathroom area. Nothing amazing, just one sink, but a lot of room in here. You can see walking out to the bedroom, back to the main room. I booked this during a weekend, booked with Wyndham points. So where rates were pretty high for Friday night and Saturday night, I was able to use Wyndham points from the Wyndham Business Earner card and have a low rate stay. So you get a nice room tour here at Wyndham Desert Blue in Las Vegas. Very spacious in the main area. One king bed room. Justin Vacula signing off. Stay tuned for more content.